Good morning students. 7th class science. Our next topic is heart. Of chapter number 11, our next topic is heart. What is heart? Heart is the most sensitive organ of our body. And where it is located? It is located in our chest cavity. Its lower end is tilted towards left hand sides. That's why we are saying that heart is present on our left hand side, because from lower end it is some tilted towards left side. The size of our heart is nearly equal to our fist. Its size is equal to our fist. What is fist? This is our fist. What is the function of the heart? It pumps blood to all the parts of the body continuously, means regularly. How much time we are living, that much time it pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Now we will read about the structure of heart. See, here I have made a simple diagram of heart. It is made up, there are 4 chambers in heart. 2 auricles are there and 2 ventricles are there. Left auricle, right auricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. Auricles are situated upside and ventricles are situated downside. In between that one wall is there. That wall is called septum. This wall prevent the mixing of the blood on left hand side and right hand side, means blood of left hand side will not mix with the blood of right hand side due to the presence of this wall. And in between the auricle and the ventricle, valves are present. On left side, which valve is present? That valve is called bicuspid valve. And on right hand side, which valve is present? That valve is called tricuspid valve. This is written in the structure of the heart. Human heart has 4 chambers, right and left auricle, right and left ventricle. Upper 2 chambers are called auricles and lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. One muscular wall is there which separate the left hand side to the right hand side. Like I told you, it is called septum. Now that there is a bicuspid valve on the left hand side and there is a tricuspid valve on the right hand side. Now we will read the working of the heart, means how blood is circulated in our body through the heart. Firstly, from all the parts of our body, blood is coming in the right auricle. That blood is carbon dioxide rich blood, means in this blood carbon dioxide is mixed. To that also we can say deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means in right auricle which blood is there? Deoxygenated blood. From the auricle the blood will pass to the ventricle. From right auricle blood will pass to the right ventricle. How? Through the tricuspid valve. Then from right ventricle, where the blood is going? Into the lungs. Blood is going into the lungs. How? Through the pulmonary artery. This is called pulmonary artery. Through the pulmonary artery, blood is going from right ventricle to the lungs. In our lungs, oxygen is present. Lungs remove the carbon dioxide from the blood. Which blood came in the lungs? That blood is carbon dioxide rich blood. Lungs remove the carbon dioxide from the blood and mix oxygen to the blood. What is the function of the lungs? They remove carbon dioxide from the blood and they mix oxygen with the blood. Now our blood will becomes oxygenated blood. Then through the pulmonary vein, that blood will go into the left auricle. Now in left auricle which blood is gone? That blood is oxygen rich blood, or you can say oxygenated blood. Then from auricle that blood is going into the ventricle through the bicuspid valve. That blood is going into the ventricle. Then from ventricle it is passing to our full body. This is called the pumping of the heart. Blood circulation in our heart. You can read from book also. The impure blood. Which is impure blood? Which blood contains carbon dioxide? From the different parts of the body enter into the right auricle, then it is going into the right ventricle. And from here blood is pumped through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Means blood will go into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Then in lungs what will happen? Blood gives up carbon dioxide, means carbon dioxide will remove from the blood and oxygen will mix into the blood. This oxygenated blood then it will pass to the left auricle through the pulmonary vein. Then from auricle it is passing to the left ventricle. Then after, from here, from left ventricle, blood is pumped through the different parts of the body. This is called the blood circulation. Thank you.